I'm spending 300k daily and seeing a catastrophic meta performance drop since October 18th. Anyone else? I'm on Reddit and this guy has a problem. He says he spends 300k daily. What is this business doing, man? Are you selling like iPhones or something? He says, hello, has anyone noticed a significant performance drop starting from Friday, October 18th? I'm spending over 300k daily on meta ads across multiple brands and I'm seeing a 20% drop in performance across all niches and accounts. Is anyone experiencing the same issue? I'm advertising in Europe. This year has already been tough, but the recent decline is catastrophic. Another guy says, same for us, how much longer can meta be so inconsistent and unstable? There must come some kind of breaking points for small companies, right? We're also experiencing this, only very few leads are coming on a daily basis, so frustrating. What business? Well, actually, political activities in the US doesn't have a massive impact in the European Union also. Advertising is so expensive in the US at present that lots of advertisers are spending in new overseas markets. Big brands are allocating more budgets here in the European Union during election season. There are also around 100 new features that dropped on Facebook in the past few weeks, which again is tradition for the past 10 years in preparation for the busy holiday season. This also has a massive impact on performance. I also feel like Facebook ads are dropping new features each and every day. I'm managing my campaigns and I feel like every week I open the Facebook Business Manager, I see something new. I see the buttons, I see new AI features, and to be honest with you, it's great. Like you have a lot of features, but are those new features making the platform easier to use? Are those new features making the platform harder? Because for me, to be honest with you, all the new features are adding a layer of complication, which means it's harder to run ads in 2024 compared to 2017 or 2019, right? Because in 2019 you had interests, you had lookalike audiences, you didn't have crazy amounts of like different ad targeting variations you could do. You didn't have the Advantage Plus, you didn't have the Advantage Plus creative, you didn't have the multi-advertiser ads. I think what they're trying to do, they're trying to make Facebook ads platform more automatic. They want to remove the manual labor into running ads, and I believe their goal is to make running Facebook ads extremely simple. And they want to do it simply because if they make it simple, a lot more people will start running ads and they're gonna make a lot of money. So cash rules everything around me, right? You know this, you know this. And this guy continues and says, traditionally, this is also a relatively bad time specifically for ecom worldwide as we transition to Black Friday, Cyber Monday season happens every year. It doesn't make sense. Politics and elections do not stop spending. Look around you. Drive by a store. My guess is there are people shopping there. This actually is more of a shakeup than anything else. The first time it happened was eBay around 2005 2008, then Amazon 2014 2018. In both of those cases, massive amounts of traffic changed their shopping habits and waves of sellers went broke who didn't adapt. Nobody said anything about stop spending, it's a capacity issue. Here I have another point I would like to make. It could not be um, uh, in a way how US election is affecting the whole market and how people spend, but what if like in the Facebook platform, in the Facebook headquarters, they get together and they just figure out how to change the algorithm so it works different while the elections are running. This way, the algorithm will affect the whole world. So there might be something to the election going on. in my opinion, there is something very wrong with the economy, because we can see rich countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, a lot of countries in the European Union such as Germany are in a big financial troubles. People are in debt, countries are in debt. So we could talk about if people can actually afford it and how many people can actually afford it. Because if the number is decreasing, that means our ads won't perform. Imagine this for example, you run a business, and for your business in 2020 you have 1,000 people who can afford your product. But in 2024, the amount of people who can afford your product are 500. They are less. This means you're gonna make less money. And this means the cost per conversion on Facebook will be higher. And there is a lot of speculation why Facebook ads are expensive. However, there could be a lot of reasons why. I think it's not just like one combination, one reason why. I think it's because there are multiple reasons why. And to be honest with you, I've been on Reddit and I'm reading what people say, and some people say there could be something wrong with the Chinese brands that are coming to the market. We have Temu, we have Shein, we have AliExpress, we have Alibaba, and those big, huge corporations are just spending crazy amounts of money on ads, and this is driving the cost. But also a lot more people prefer to buy the products from Temu and Shein instead of going to like local businesses, local websites, and this is just the case. So the discussion goes there, and a lot of people say that they have a record number, and there is a guy who shares a screenshot. He says Facebook referral traffic has decreased by 52% from September 2022 to September 23, according to social media management company EchoBox, which has a database of over 2,000 publishers. So referral traffic might have decreased. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen with Facebook ads. In terms of my campaigns, right now is October 24th. I had September for me was decent, and October for me was decent as well. But I mainly do online course businesses, and I have some e-com businesses. Recently I'm managing 3 e-com businesses, and e-com business is just so easy, man. Yeah, if you want to get good at marketing, try doing the information business, try selling online courses. This thing is much harder. This was the video for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. My name is Niko, and I'm gonna talk to you soon.